So Manasvi, what is your emotion and what is a metaphor?
So my emotion, my emotion is Gandhiji is one of the monkey, that is this. So at times I feel I go into the flow and speak at times when there's no need also.
So what is that
But,
Gandhiji's monkey with the finger on the lips telling
it's
you?
like this.
Yeah, so what is it telling you?
That monkey is telling me it's okay. If you speak, that is also okay. That is you. So there's no point not accepting this thing. You can speak when you want to speak.
So are you ready to accept that monkey into you?
Yes.
Hold it across your chest. That's a part of you. And it will always be a lovable part of you. All right. So dear friends, I'm sure this video has added value to your lives. And yes, we are committed towards your improvement. Hence our tagline is, I win when you win. So do share this video to all your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, so that their lives also can become better and better. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We are here for you because I win